All right, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for everyone. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test of the Sony WF-C500 Bluetooth earbuds. So, all the audio from this video here today is going to be recorded using the onboard microphones from the Sony WF-C500. So we're going to do this microphone test in two different scenarios. This first one is an ideal or as quiet as I can get it, noise-free scenario, right? And then for the second one, I have some crowd noise pulled up on my Roku, and we're going to do a simulated noisy environment. This way, you guys and gals get an idea of how these microphones are going to perform in the two different scenarios. All right. So that pretty much does it for the first part of the test. Hopefully, the audio coming off of the microphones here sounds really good. Now, let me go ahead and push play on the YouTube video. We're going to let this play for a little bit. Now, for reference, I have the TV volume set to 18%. So we're going to see how good the microphones are at isolating my voice over the surrounding sound. And the noise isolation for me is really, really good. I can barely hear myself talk right now, and it's doing a really good job in terms of what I can hear of drowning out the surrounding sounds. All right? But we're going to let the noise play for a little bit. Okay, and then I'm just going to talk at my natural volume, my natural cadence. I'm not going to yell, and hopefully the microphones are doing a great job of isolating my voice over the surrounding ambient noises. Okay, so this is a test of the Sony WF-C500 Bluetooth earbuds in a noisy or simulated crowded environment. Okay, all right. Let me just pause that now. And that, guys and gals, pretty much concludes the video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick microphone test. Now, before we get up out of here, I just want to let y'all know a few things because y'all know I like to keep it straight 100 around here. So, this is being recorded with the rear facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This is being recorded in Pro Video mode inside of the stock Samsung Galaxy camera application. And as y'all can see, I'm going to throw up the B-roll right now. I did jump in there after verifying that the earbuds are connected. I jumped in there, I switched to Pro Video mode, and y'all can see the only change that I made was I made it so all the audio is being picked up via the Bluetooth connected device. Other than that, everything else I left entirely stock. All right. And y'all can see also in that video clip that I do have some crowd noise pulled up via YouTube. All right. And I just showed this portion of the video just because I like to be as close to 100% transparent as I can be. Certain stuff I will not tell you guys because of privacy, but if I can tell y'all something, I will tell y'all something because it's all about being 100% honest and transparent. All right. So it is what it is. Y'all know I always say it. I like to keep it completely 100 around here, but there are some things in terms of privacy that I will not tell y'all. It just is what it is. But that being said, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. And I hope everyone is having a great day and staying safe out there. As always, if this video did pique your interest, I'll have all the affiliated buy links located down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Also, that being said, affiliated buy links mean just that. That means that when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it's a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. So as always, if your interest is piqued, all those links will be available down below in the video description, along with my continued coverage. All right. Again, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals found this video helpful, and I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one. We are out of here. Peace. All right.